The first thing that we need to do is separate our page into 4 sections. So how I like to do that is take my piece of paper and fold it in half. I put the corners together, hold onto it with my hand, come across and up and over. Open it up and I have my first line. Now this gets a little tricky. I have to press down kind of on that fold to put these 2 corners together. Hold it down, pull it across, and crease and crease. All right, now that I've opened this up, I can flip it over to either side and I have some lines already made. If I take my pencil or Sharpie marker, I can go ahead and draw on top of those folds. Uh-oh, I went out. That's okay, it doesn't matter if it's perfect. Now I have 4 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to make circles today, and we're going to use 4 different mediums. Medium is the materials we use to make our art. We're going to use a crayon, a marker. We're going to practice with a colored pencil, and we're even going to use paint. This is a line. A line doesn't have to be straight, it can be curved. If you take a line and curve it and curve it and curve it and curve it and curve it, keep curving it until it connects to itself, it turns into a shape. What shape did I just make? That's right. That's called a circle. If I take and draw another circle, it's fairly even on all sides. If I take this circle and smoosh it, so it's longer on some sides and shorter on others, this becomes a different shape. It's called a oval. This is an oval. I can make a circle and oval by using the medium crayon. In this first section, you're going to draw ovals and circles, some small, some big, some maybe even teeny, some huge. You'll fill up one whole spot. Do I fill up this spot? Nope. How about here? Nope. Here? No, wait. But this one we're going to fill up with circles. Now, when I have drawn my circles, I'm going to go in and color them, staying inside my lines. Watch how slow my hand goes to make sure I get rid of the white spots, and I try my very best to stay inside the lines I just made. I made that circle and I want to fill it in with my crayon. Ooh, I've got a big one here. This seems like it's going to take a long time, but if I keep working, I'll be able to get it all done, filling in all the white spots. All right, now you go give it a try. I can make circles and ovals using the medium marker. When I use my marker, I'm going to pull off my cap and place the cap on the back of the marker so I don't lose it. When I put my marker away, I'll pull off the cap from the back and press this on until I hear it snap. All right, just like we did before, we're going to make some big circles, some small circles, some ovals, and we're going to fill up this whole new section making our circles and ovals using the medium marker. Once we have drawn our circles and ovals, we're going to color them in, just like we did before. Watch how I use my marker. I go nice and slow, and I'm going right next door. So I make a line, and right next door I make another line, and another line, and another line. Again, I'm trying to get rid of all the white spots. I'm using the side of my marker. So I have my marker at an angle, and I'm going very slow. This makes sure that I don't leave any white spots behind. I can make a circle, and I'm going to use the medium colored pencil. A colored pencil is a lot like a regular pencil, except this part has color to it. In this case, orange. We are also going to practice using the tool tracer. This is a tracer. If I put a tracer down, I can hold it with one hand and take my pencil and move it around the edge. Look at that. That makes a circle. I can do that here too. This time I'm going to make a smaller one. Do you know that you can use other things to make tracers? Here's just a container. If I hold this down and use my pencil to go around it, I can make a really big circle. I think I have room for one more, maybe even two small ones. Yes, there we go. Now I'm going to take my pencil and start coloring in. Again, I'm going a little bit at a time, going slow, trying to get rid of all those white spots, and filling in the whole circle, trying to stay inside the circle lines. Colored pencil takes a lot longer than crayons and markers, so slow yourself down and do your very best. I can make circles using the medium paint. This is tempera paint. It's a special kind of paint because it's opaque, which means we can't see through it. This is Mr. Brush. Mr. Brush has bristles. That's the hair. When we use Mr. Brush, we're going to be very gentle with him, making sure his hair always stays the same direction. All right, we're going to make circles using paint. I'm going to press my brush in just a little bit into my paint. Then bring it over to my paper. And look at this, I'm making sure the bristles are going the same direction. And I'm kind of holding one side still while the other goes around the edge. Not bad. If your circles end up looking like ovals, that's okay too. Just like we did before, we're going to fill up this whole space making circles using paint.